Once upon a time on the bluff where rivers race, a group of explorers found a most enchanted place. Join us on a journey through this magical land. We invite you to learn more about nature's grand. Towns and singles under the shade of tall trees, surrounded by nature and a warm, soothing breeze. When you step outside, just beyond your yard, there's a beautiful bluff held in highest regard. Sprinkled throughout, you'll find ponds, paths, and parks. This untouched land is a true work of art. The grand river flows, hear the calming stream. It's known for fly fishing, an outdoor lover's dream. The fun and discovery simply never ends in a community bonded by family and friends.